Feels good to be outside for once. Good day for February. Can't wait to start taking some more of my landscape photos and do some cinematography. Just learning my camera, guys. Still learning all of it. Practicing. But today, I'm going to do a little bit of woodworking again. Put my first fine art print onto a piece of wood to make a desk photo, a desk art piece. So let's get to it. Show you guys how it's done. Alright, so like I mentioned, I got a photograph here that I took last fall. I call it Skylines. I'm going to put it on a piece of wood and make a little desktop art piece for you guys. So before I can take this over to the table saw, I got to chop it to size roughly. And I got it marked. Come down, set that aside and just cut. The reason why I didn't mark it exactly is because I wanted to leave a little bit of space, because I know that I'm going to cut it down on the table saw here in a second, and I knew I would have to take 2 cuts with this 10-inch chop saw. You keep about 1/8 of an inch above the piece of wood when you're using a table saw. I measured it out, got it where I feel like it should be perfect. Don't quote me on that, but we'll see. So usually I have a push stick for something like this, but since I have so much space over here, I can just run it through with my hand and kind of let it fall over. Should be about the right size here. Looks to be the right size. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take it to the chop saw real quick, do the same thing I did earlier, but get it to be like the correct length. So got my photo here, my piece of wood. This is the side that I'm going to adhere it to. And what I'm going to use is some Mod Podge. Some of this stuff. This is an old one, so I'm going to dump it out into this container, use a brush. Yeah, see if it works. Alright, I'll put that down right there. Just brush it on the wood. Goodness, always something. Somehow there was a hair in the bowl or something. I don't have to be too clean with it because I'm going to end up actually using it as a finish as well. Wish I had a little bit bigger brush. Took a lot of Mod Podge, brushed across the surface, got the edges. This is my second coat. That should do it, guys. Hopefully I went from taking a photo and turning it into a piece of art. Here's the final look at the photo block after the Mod Podge has dried. It gave it a little bit of a sheen coat. I went ahead and coated the back side too to help prevent the wood from warping. I have to say, it's looking awesome. Looking better than I expected. Here we have it. A finished photo block from a photo that I took myself.